We got this hiking pad and I'm going to show you how to inflate it, how the manufacturer recommends inflating it, and we'll see how it works. It does come with a nice little patch kit in here in case something happens. Those are always handy to have. All right, we'll open this up. Here's the inflating bag that it comes with. It's an air pump sack, something different. See how it goes. So this here is the tighten the valve before inflating. So we'll make sure that that's tight and snug on there. So this would be for deflating it. We'll open it up here. It's nice that it's well marked. Insert the pump sack into this valve. So the pump sack here, open it up. All right, just looking at it here, this little part here fits inside here. Push it down in there. All right, now it's in place. I don't know how efficient this is going to be, but we're going to find out here. So we'll inflate this. I'm going to spin it. So instead of pumping it or sitting there with your mouth, I'm going to sit there and fill this bag up with air. So one thing I'm noticing is that you have to keep this bag open to be able to get the air to flow out of it. You can see the sleeping pad starting to inflate. Just probably if you had a bit of wind, maybe it would go, but then we just sit there and push that in. Open it back up. The other option to always inflate a mattress is to get an electric pump or a manual pump that you sit there and push down on instead of this air sac. One of the things I can definitely tell that they're trying to do here is just try to keep this as light a weight as possible. And they're doing a good job. For being a double sleeping pad, this is pretty lightweight. But I'm gonna guess this is gonna take quite a bit of time to try to inflate this way. Yes, you can see that it's starting to bundle up here. So we're gonna sit here and just get this all squared away.
5 minutes later, it is fully inflated and ready to go.
Yeah, this is pretty comfortable.
The mattress is very firm. When going to blow it up, I could feel the resistance as the air mattress firmed up when I was trying to use the air sac to be able to fill it up. It feels very comfortable. My wife and I have a double sleeping bag here to be able to sleep in, and it fills up the space just right. I'm excited to use this to sleep in tonight, and it's big enough for the whole family to be able to enjoy as well. I'm really excited about this product, and I know you will as well.